Now we look at the EIC analysis, and I will expand the scope of EIC analysis, and I would refer it as GEIC analysis. Now, one thing we need to be aware, or we need to be instinctive about any event that can impact value of my company, I need to be aware of. So whenever we are doing valuation of any company or any asset, we need to be aware about the environment. So what we need to do, we need to do GEIC analysis. And what is GEIC analysis? So we need to be aware of the global factors. So today, what is happening in America, there's a fear of inflation going very high. What is happening in Europe, there's a fear of energy crisis looming large out there. What is happening between Russia and Ukraine, the supply chain of the entire globe has been completely disrupted. As a result of that, a lot of economies of the globe are getting adversely impacted. And as I said earlier, if the environment is favorable, valuation are attractive. If environment is in a bad shape, the valuations are going to be adverse or negative or low valuation. So the fourth step in the evaluation is to do the GIC analysis, and we will, of course, as we keep progressing, we are going to understand global analysis, economic analysis, industry analysis, company analysis in much greater detail, and also the tools which are available for doing all these analysis. So that's your step number 4. Step number 5 is selection of appropriate valuation approach and methodology. I am sure as we progress and as we learn more and more about it, instinctively we would be able to know, in this situation I have to use income approach. In this situation I have to use market approach. In this situation I have to use combination of the market approach and the income approach. In this situation I have to use only the asset approach, and that is your step number 5. And so once you decide as to what approach or what method for valuation to use it, and you will of course be arriving at the value of that asset or of that liability. So this, friends, is the entire process in nutshell as far as the valuation process is concerned. Now let us understand some of the purposes of valuation.